Imagine a world where technology helps us understand and care for our mental well-being in ways never before imagined. AI is revolutionizing how we approach mental health. From algorithms detecting early signs of depression to AI-powered chatbots offering therapeutic support, the possibilities seem endless. Can AI truly replicate the empathy and support of a human therapist? Join us as we explore the balance between technological advancements and the irreplaceable human factor in therapy. Mental health care is about understanding the complexities of the human experience and fostering resilience. It's the relationship between therapist and client, built on trust and empathy. This human connection is at the core of effective therapy. As AI integrates into mental health care, we must remember the irreplaceable value of this human element. We'll explore AI's role in psychology, its benefits, challenges, and the future of mental health care. The journey of AI in psychology began with Alan Turing's question, "Can machines think?" Early pioneers like Joseph Weizenbaum created ELIZA, a chatbot simulating a psychotherapist. As technology advanced, so did AI's sophistication, paving the way for AI-powered mental health interventions. These advancements set the stage for AI to offer innovative tools and solutions in mental health care. The late 20th century saw the emergence of machine learning, enabling computers to learn from data. Machine learning algorithms could analyze vast datasets, identifying patterns and insights. This revolutionized mental health care, allowing for personalized, proactive, and effective treatments. Wearable sensors and smartphone technology provided new avenues for AI to impact mental health care. AI has found an emerging space in mental health care, driven by advancements in machine learning and natural language processing. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants provide 24/7 support, offering cognitive behavioral therapy exercises and mindfulness techniques. These tools offer accessible and affordable mental health support. AI personalizes treatments, tailoring interventions to individual needs and preferences. This personalized approach is transforming mental health care delivery. Imagine a world where mental health conditions could be identified before symptoms fully emerge. AI algorithms can identify subtle patterns and risk factors, flagging individuals at risk. Early intervention can prevent severe symptoms and improve long-term outcomes. AI models predict suicide risk by analyzing social media posts and health records. AI-powered prediction and early detection hold immense promise for transforming mental health care. AI is advancement mental health care through personalized digital interventions. AI-powered apps deliver tailored therapeutic support, available 24/7. These tools track symptoms, provide feedback, and adjust interventions in real time. Digital interventions bridge gaps in access, offering support to those who need it most. AI personalizes interventions based on user engagement and progress. Therapeutic chatbots offer immediate and personalized mental health support. Chatbots like Wobot and Wiza use natural language processing to mimic human interaction. They provide coping mechanisms, guided meditations, and CBT exercises. Chatbots offer a valuable alternative for those hesitant to seek traditional therapy. As technology evolves, chatbots will play a significant role in expanding access to mental health care. Precision medicine in mental health tailors treatments to individual needs. AI analyzes patient data to predict responses to different treatments. This personalized approach improves outcomes and reduces trial and error in medication management. AI accelerates the development of precision medicine in mental health. AI will continue to play a vital role in tailoring treatments to individual needs. AI democratizes access to mental health support, transcending barriers like cost and location. AI-powered tools offer affordable and convenient access to mental health resources. AI automates administrative tasks, freeing up clinicians to focus on patient care. This increased efficiency can alleviate the burden on mental health professionals, AI helps provide compassionate and effective care to patients. AI's impact on mental health extends beyond improving access and efficiency. AI analyzes vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and insights. This data-driven approach revolutionizes our understanding of mental health conditions. AI can reduce the stigma associated with seeking mental health care. AI empowers individuals to manage their mental health more effectively, improving their quality of life. While artificial intelligence offers a multitude of benefits in mental health care, a fundamental question lingers. Can AI truly replicate the empathy, compassion, and nuanced understanding that define the human therapeutic relationship? Empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of another, is at the heart of effective therapy. It's the ability to step into someone else's shoes, to see the world through their eyes, and to offer support and validation without judgment. Human therapists bring a lifetime of experiences, emotions, and understanding to their work. They can read between the lines, pick up on subtle cues, and respond to clients' needs with a depth that AI, at least in its current form, cannot replicate. A therapist's ability to connect with a client on a human level, to offer a compassionate presence, and to tailor their approach based on intuition and emotional intelligence is irreplaceable. AI algorithms, while capable of processing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns, lack the capacity for genuine emotional understanding. They can learn to mimic empathy through language and pre-programmed responses, but they cannot truly grasp the complexity and depth of human emotion. This fundamental difference between human and artificial empathy raises important questions about the limitations of AI in mental health care, particularly in contexts where a deep understanding of human experience and emotional connection is paramount. The challenge for the future of AI in mental health is not to replace human empathy, but to find ways for technology to complement and enhance it. AI can be a valuable tool for providing information, support, and personalized interventions, but it should not be seen as a substitute for the human connection that lies at the heart of healing and recovery. The integration of AI into mental health care also raises a host of ethical considerations that demand careful attention. One of the most pressing concerns is the protection of sensitive patient data. AI algorithms thrive on data, and their effectiveness depends on access to large data sets of patient information, including medical histories, treatment records, and even personal communications. While this data can be invaluable for developing personalized interventions and improving care, it also raises concerns about privacy and confidentiality. Safeguarding this information is paramount, and robust security measures must be in place to prevent data breaches, unauthorized access, and potential misuse. The potential for misuse or unintended consequences of AI in mental health care is a serious concern that requires ongoing vigilance and ethical reflection. Another critical ethical consideration is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. AI systems are trained on data, and if that data reflects existing biases in society, the AI itself can perpetuate and even amplify those biases. For example, if an AI system is trained on data that predominantly reflects the experiences of one demographic group, it may not accurately assess or provide appropriate recommendations for individuals from other backgrounds. Addressing bias in AI requires a multifaceted approach, including ensuring diversity in training data sets, developing mechanisms for identifying and mitigating bias in algorithms, and promoting transparency and accountability in the development and deployment of AI systems. Ethical AI development in mental health care necessitates ongoing dialogue and collaboration among technologists, clinicians, ethicists, and the communities most impacted by these technologies. Section 3. Striking a balance. Integrating AI responsibly. The integration of artificial intelligence into mental health care presents both exciting opportunities and complex challenges. Finding the right balance between technological innovation and the preservation of human connection is crucial for harnessing AI's potential while mitigating its risks. A key aspect of this balance involves recognizing the limitations of AI and ensuring that it is used ethically and responsibly. AI should be viewed as a tool to augment and enhance human capabilities, not as a replacement for human interaction and expertise. Mental health professionals play a vital role in guiding the implementation of AI, ensuring that it aligns with ethical principles and serves the best interests of their clients. This includes carefully evaluating AI-powered tools, understanding their limitations, and using them judiciously to complement their own clinical judgment and expertise. Transparency and open communication are also essential for building trust and ensuring ethical AI integration. Clients should be informed about the use of AI in their care, including how their data is being used and the potential benefits and limitations of AI-powered tools. This transparency fosters a collaborative approach to care and empowers clients to make informed decisions about their treatment. Ultimately, the responsible integration of AI into mental health care requires a commitment to ongoing dialogue, ethical reflection, and a human-centered approach. By prioritizing the well-being of individuals, respecting privacy and autonomy, and addressing issues of bias and access, we can harness the power of AI to create a future where technology and human expertise work together to promote mental health and well-being for all. Section 1. A collaborative future, integrating AI and human expertise. As we look toward the future of mental health care, it's clear that AI will play an increasingly prominent role. But rather than replacing human therapists, AI is more likely to function as a powerful tool in their arsenal, enhancing their capabilities and expanding the reach of care. This collaborative future holds immense promise for addressing the growing demand for mental health services and improving outcomes for individuals struggling with mental health challenges. Imagine a world where AI assists therapists in making more accurate diagnoses, tailoring treatment plans, and monitoring patient progress in real time. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and insights that might elude human observation, providing therapists with valuable information to guide their clinical decisions. This data-driven approach can lead to more personalized and effective treatments, ultimately improving patient outcomes. AI can also play a crucial role in addressing the shortage of mental health professionals, particularly in underserved communities. AI-powered tools like chatbots and virtual assistants can provide readily accessible support and guidance, bridging the gap in access to care. While these tools cannot replace the depth of human interaction, they can offer a valuable first line of support, connecting individuals with resources and potentially encouraging them to seek further help from human therapists when needed. The future of AI in psychology hinges on finding the right balance between leveraging technology and preserving the irreplaceable human element of care. By embracing a collaborative approach where AI augments human expertise rather than replacing it, we can create a future where technology empowers both therapists and clients, leading to a more accessible, effective, and compassionate mental health care system. Section 2. Preserving the human element, the enduring power of connection. While AI offers exciting possibilities for mental health care, it's essential to remember that technology is just a tool. The heart of therapy lies in the human connection, built on empathy, trust, and shared understanding. This profound human element will always be irreplaceable, no matter how sophisticated AI becomes. Human therapists bring emotional intelligence and intuitive understanding that AI cannot replicate. They offer a compassionate presence that fosters healing and growth. This ability to connect on a human level is at the core of transformative therapy. As AI integrates into mental health care, preserving this human element is crucial. Therapists must ensure they don't lose sight of the importance of human connection. The future of AI in psychology is about empowering human therapists to provide better care. By embracing AI as a supportive tool, we can promote mental well-being and resilience. Technology and humanity can work hand in hand to navigate the complexities of the human experience. Integrating AI and human expertise for enhanced mental health care. AI offers unprecedented opportunities in mental health care, enhancing accessibility and personalizing treatments. From AI-powered chatbots to algorithms detecting early signs, technology is transforming mental well-being. However, the human element remains irreplaceable in therapy. The future hinges on balancing AI's capabilities with human touch. Embracing innovation while upholding empathy and compassion is key. Together, AI and human expertise can create a more effective mental health care system.